What up, YouTube? I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do as a daily routine to stay pretty lean and have some decent amount of size. I'm gonna show you guys what I eat, how I work out, and how I do cardio. So cardio, I do it at home. I try to eat 6 times a day. I go in the sauna every day. So working out wise, I'm gonna show you guys clips, but not everything I work out. I work out like full body every day. That's how I stay lean, burn more fat and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through my life. I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So this could work for you, could not work for you. It just depends on your body. So check it out. We're about to start heading home. We just finished up right here in LA Fitness. We did 2 hours. 2 hours working out and 30 minutes sauna. And we're just gonna head home, do an hour to 2 hours of cardio on bike. So check this out. This is what I drink as pre-workout. I already drank it though. It's cold brew. So I make cold brew at home, way cheaper. Honestly, if you want energy to stay lean, you're always out of energy when you're pretty lean. So this right here, the cold brew, I literally drink it 24/7 throughout the night, throughout the day. I'm just chugging it like it's water. Pretty good. That's how I get my energy. Instead of pre-workout, pre-workout's pretty bad. Do drink it though sometimes. This is my morning meal. 4 eggs, cold brew, some soup. We got the protein pancake right here. So every single food I eat, I try to eat high protein, low carbs, and low calories. That's the way to go. Stay shredded. So check this out. Like sugar free. And then I don't measure it. Honestly, the more, the better for me. The more protein I get in. Check it out. And literally, I just put the flour in there or whatever. And then put water, mix it, throw it in the microwave, 3 minutes. That quick. That simple. Literally 3 minutes to make this. I don't care if it tastes like dog shit, as long as it's protein and quick to make, I'm eating it. So this right here is my magic sauce. High on protein, low on calories, low on carbs. So this basically right here is 2 cans of garbanzo beans, 2 pounds of mushroom, like a cup of rice, and mushroom broth, and a cream of mushroom soup, all mixed in together. And then so yeah, this is basically like my base. So I'll add this, a little bit of this, and I always add some more protein. So it's either in a can like this right here, I add some chicken, ground turkey, just anything, salmon. And then so yeah, this is basically meal. So I get a lot of frozen tilapia, shrimp. I use that too as protein. So I put that on top of the mushroom, or I could eat this alone. Let's say if I don't want to eat some carbs, I want to even get more lean, eat some protein like this. Check this out. You could either air fry or you don't even have to cook it at all. Check it out. You could eat it raw too. Tastes pretty good. Sushi.
No cupieron todas, no cupieron poquito.
Easy as that. You left the skin. Quick protein. So I'm gonna end the video right here. So basically, all I need is just get my meals in. Literally got the whole day to do that. Right now it's pretty early right now. So get the meals in, finish the cardio up, do an hour, 2 hours. I have dumbbells too. Let's say if I can't sleep, I'll go hop on the cardio bike. And then, or I'll go on the dumbbells, or sometimes go in the backyard, start squatting, whatever. But yeah, that's the main thing. Calories in, calories out. That's the only thing that you need to do to stay shredded. Keep your protein high, calories low, carbs low, and then most important thing is cardio. Can't say that enough. The more you work out, the more cardio, the more leaner you're gonna get.